Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Yesterday, I promised her that I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna talk about something very, very important, and I promised that our brother Hurricane, you know yourself. I want to see you on the comment of this video. Just prove to me that you will actually watch it because I told you I will call you out, right? I am here this morning to do the justice to your argument yesterday. You made clear, you made mention of something that COS, that if Ogekre is as educated as COS, that he would have done something very, very good, that he positioned himself to meet a kind of important people. He positioned himself to meet important people that matters and all that. And I told you that I disagree. And I gave you some illustration, which I believe makes sense to you. Yeah, but if you don't understand it, I'm gonna bring a new one in this video. When you are trying to get something, you want to buy a house, or let me say you bought a house, and that house, let's say you bought a one-bedroom flat or self-con. You bought self-con or you built self-con, and another person built something like okay, two-story or four-story building. All right, and you decided to put your own in radio station. You want to put it on radio station. You want to put it on TV. You want people to see it. You decided to advertise it. You call some influencers to talk about this your self-con, and they came with their camera and video your house, reporting it. You circulated it. It went viral. And the other person who built two, let's say two-story building, decided to keep calm. Does it mean that the other one, that you are more, you don't position yourself, you have not achieved enough to compare the other person? So, what am I trying to tell you? Read what she has posted here. I saw this. I said not to talk about it. Okay, not because of any other thing, but I felt like people have seen it. It is one of it. Thank God. Let's see. You understand? But the movie is very, very good. Don't get it twisted. The post is worth celebrating. But because of you, we are going to celebrate it. This is something that you has posted that I want all their friends to pay close attention to. Breakfast. This is just yesterday. Okay? By this time yesterday, I saw it. I think that was when she made the post. If I go back and which I don't have time to, I think we will see the date and everything will be there. But for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna go back. I don't want to scatter what I've said. He said breakfast with Senator Dolezal. I hope I pronounce his name well. He's a senator that represents that district of Georgia. All right, he's one that's in charge. He represents state of Georgia. Okay, and lieutenant governor, he's trying to contest. Though I'm going to show you about the demand, the senator bio, and we're going to watch everything that's here posted here. But calm, just keep calm. The role of the government is to secure and protect the rights of the citizens. The God-given right. Watch video. I felt happy and satisfied talking to Greg about our new nation, the United States of Biafra USB, which was declared on November 29th, 2024 in Lahti, Finland. I also talked to him about my role and our ex-country, Nigeria. Greg was happy and represent the epitome of good governance and strong value to make the world a better place. That is US talking. This is from her handle. Now, to tell you, I want to observe something here. To tell you that she met him, what it means that I missed somebody, I am with somebody. This person, I have handshake with person. Look at this position. Look at this picture. This post. Take a very good close look at this post, my people. This is when you say that you met somebody. That's evident to that. Not everybody background. You can't even see people passing by. It's just like this. Every now and then, it's like this. Every now and then is like this. anytime like this, without having no clip of how you guys talked, no clip of video where the person even talked that in the event. Also, all this handshake and meeting that you have, because Sonak Barawa is making it so it looks so irritating. If not because of Sonak Barawa, I wouldn't have been going hard on the issue of having handshake with the senators. But when you watch Sonak Barawa trying to add some of this information, this fact that all of us can see, it makes me sick. What do I mean by that? I hate it when somebody is trying to insult my intelligence. Yes, I am not Mr. Know It All, but at least I know good things when I see one. Yes, that you don't. I don't need to. I'm not trying to blow my trumpet. I know good things when I see one. Does it mean that I don't make mistake? No. Does it mean that I am Mr. Know It All? No. But you see all those basic things. Now we know it. Forget about this. See the position of this. If you look at the way they look at COS, look at COS here, and look at the senator himself. All right. Look at the position. Look at how they pose in the picture. All right. Then bring to you. Let's go to the video. Now, sorry, the video is very big. Let me play it this way. Just pay attention. I don't know if it's gonna make more sense to you like this. Should I reduce it a little bit? Just a moment. Okay, there you go. I prefer it this way. Now, let me tell you something. This is the event that COS said have breakfast with the senator. So this senator could be the one that organized the breakfast, and people, in America, I don't know how it works there, but country went by you have access to your leaders. CS was there in this breakfast, and she spoke with the man, this senator. Then I've shown you the picture. So you cannot see the man usually he's talking in that event. See people that sat down. Look at how people how they were sitting down, listening to him and everything. And she just made introduce herself and her role about the USB government, about everything, about Nigeria, about what is going on and everything. You may ask, where is COS here? Let me show you, because it's a very short video though, but we can see Ogenkere showing you picture where how they met with congressmen, the gathering, how they sit down, or that round table where they talked about everything that they claim that is presented to senators. Ogenkere, that we all know, will be discussing and having a conversation about Biafra, showing some. Now, pay attention. The person here, I don't know the person. It should be. I'm trying to look for COS here. But the camera did not capture her. Did not capture her. This is just 1 minute 10 seconds video. All right. You know what? Let me pause it and go back from beginning. Let's play without my voice. Let's hear what Senator said. Probably you may see CS, maybe the camera there, because she's one that recorded. Now I get it. Sorry about it. Now I remember, she's the one that recorded. CS is the one that recorded because she made the post. So she's the one recording this event. She was there. She don't have. No, I told you yesterday. One of the things that the fallback Republic have that the USB don't have is hiring somebody that will hide, try to squat or maybe very close behind the flower and stretch his hand, because he's a man. Stretch his hand out and zoom the camera to snap something. Some of these senators may not even know that somebody was snapping them. You never can tell. It's possible. Watch.
Sentence of the Declaration of Independence answers that question for us of what is the role of government. And here it is. See if we catch it. Here's the next sentence. That to secure these rights, what rights? The God-given rights. Yeah. That to secure these rights, governments are formed among men, deriving their power from the consent of the governed. Did you catch it? No. Right. The role of government is to secure rights.
Okay.
And there again, you have a fundamental fault line between modern-day conservative thinking and the thinking of the left. Modern-day conservatives and quintessential conservative thought comes down to the concept of elevating liberty, elevating the rights of the individual, and constraining the role of government to a core set of necessary principles. You see, we fundamentally believe that an ever-growing government infringes on the liberty of the individual. And that is why we stand for limited government. So, in the 7 years that I've been in the State Senate, I want to unpack for you some things that I have led on, because I believe that the role of government is to secure rights.
Now, like I told you, she's the one recording the video. That's why there's no way she will record herself unless she decides to flip the camera, which doesn't make any sense. But only one meeting, okay? This is not the first time she's meeting congressmen. No. I'm just telling you the one that she's there to publicize. And if COS is paying people, paying media, giving media, some tips, talk about me, talk about us. Once she drops this, everybody will carry it. And why people don't like why I don't carry it is because now Homa the low we are. Why you don't need to pay excess pay for excess advertisement or anything. You don't need it. Ahoma the low we are. But for the fact that some of us are still thinking, I must see it, show me, oh, do you have number of any senator? Have you met any congressman? That kind of stupid thinking, or try to give some silly, some silly excuses, trying to make it look like she's not doing anything, there's nothing going on, and that. At the end of the day, if you want to see, you see. If you don't want, it's up to you. So don't see it, because if Ogekere is the entering bus that is heading to Washington DC bus stop, or anything bus stop near, when he want to enter that bus that heading to Washington DC, he will start filming himself. Elias will be the other one filming him, because excess advertisements somehow is only fake products that needs this kind of excess advertisement. Advertising your products or what you are doing is good, but excess of it is questionable, is suspicious, and that is why people don't. Apart from this video, now I don't think there's any other person that have talked about COS meeting this senator. I'm not telling you last month. This is just yesterday. Okay. Now let's go to the post again. So let me just permit me to look, because I think we need to. I need to show you the date and time when she made this publication before I move to another thing. I need to do that. So for the sake of this video, please just be. I'm gonna take it down for a reason. Just pay attention. Let me go back to that post. Okay. When did she make this post? This post was done when. Let me go back a little bit. I have to. It's very important. All right. I want you to see the date. Okay, when she made it. You can see December 14th, right? I'm gonna point my mouse there so you yourself can read it. Look at it here. Okay, this is December 14, 2025, 2 a.m. 2 a.m. That is when she made this post. 2 a.m. based on my location when she made this post. And this is when is December 14th? Yesterday. Today's date is what? 15th December 2025. Do you understand it? Now, the senator, this is the senator. I want to read his bio a little bit. This is the man, Greg. Okay. Dolezal. Senator representing district of 27. Okay, let me expand it a little bit. I hope it's coming out. Is it coming out? Yes, it's coming out. Okay. Now, this is that senator. So don't tell me that this is senator was serving 100 years ago. No, it's not. Okay, it's not. Now, pay attention here. Greg, Republican Party, is a member of the Georgia State Senate, representing District 27. He assumed office on January 14, 2019. His current term ends on January 11, 2027. This is what I wanted to say, so that you know that he is not past Senate. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't want to, because once a senator is always a senator, right? This one is current senator representing, and Lieutenant Governor of Georgia. He declared candidacy. He declared candidacy for the 2026 election. You do understand? So he's acting politician. He's acting in the service. He is not the past. He's current serving as a senator. Okay, look at him here. Georgia. Okay, state of Georgia. Georgia's state Senate, District 27. That is what the person that COS actually met, and they discussed, like she said here. Okay, she made it clear to you here. Breakfast with Senator Dolezal. Okay, Lieutenant Governor. The role of the government is to secure and protect the right of the citizens, the God-given right. Watch the video, quoting what the senator said. I felt happy and satisfied talking to Greg about our new nation, the United States of Biafra, USB, which was declared on November 29th, 2024 in Lahti, Finland. I also talked to him about my role and our ex-country, Nigeria. Greg was happy and represents the epitome of good governance and strong values to make the world a better place. For people who claim that there is one meeting and all that, with this information that COS passed to this senator, imagine this senator, sitting down in the house where they are discussing about the affairs of American government, and so maybe peradventure somebody raised his hand and said, I discussed with a man called Elias and Isaiah Ayog, aka Ogenkere, and the person told me about Biafrans, and this is what I have to say about it. Biafran declared their independence on 2nd of December. This senator will be like, what are you talking about? I was told 29. Then it now require for the senator to demand document to back it up, to know who is who, right? Then what do you think Ogenkere will present? I'll leave it for you to answer. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time. So see you again, and God bless you.